Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this k.voss highlighter, Luminous highlighter palette that I got in my April 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. I'm really excited to try this out. This looks like such a beautiful palette. And by the way, if you have not seen my unbagging of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the makeup that I got. But this actually is an expensive makeup product in my opinion. It retails for $36. So I'm really glad that I got it in the Glam Bag Plus. So I got it for a great deal. But it is really big pan sizes. I love that it has the big mirror here. It's vegan, cruelty-free, made from all natural ingredients. And it says KVOSSNYC products are completely free of GMOs, toxins, fillers, and synthetic chemicals. So I'm really excited to add some glow to my face right now, which is looking very matte. But before I do that, I'm going to do some swatches. Ooh. Definitely a nice buttery texture. Oh, that is a beautiful bronze shade that, I mean, it's not going to work for a highlighter, face highlighter for me, but definitely a pretty eyeshadow shade. I love the pink tone. Ooh, and look at how blinding and pigmented that lightest champagne shade is. Whoa, oh my gosh, loving how these look. Here is an up close view of those swatches. All right, so I definitely want to put some highlight on the cheekbones. I'm gonna try it with the fan brush here to start. And since the lightest white shade here was so pigmented, using a fan brush for a more subtle glow might work great. Let's see. Oh my gosh, yes. That really does work great to give more of a subtle glow. So pretty. I just love how reflective that shade is. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It's just so hard for me to stop at a subtle glow because my go-to technique for applying a powder highlight like this is to just use my finger. So let's amp it up. And I love a highlighter like this, which is buildable. So you can customize the glow to whatever you want. Like to me, that's what I want. It doesn't look too glittery, shimmery. It's not the smoothest powder texture that I've ever seen for a highlighter, but it's not cakey or bad. But I can definitely tell that I am wearing a powder highlighter on my cheek. And I just feel like makeup has gotten so advanced, especially highlighters, to the point where if I don't want to visibly see a powder on my cheek, I could just do like the other highlighter I got this month in Ipsy, the RMS Beauty Living Luminizer. That one looks more skin-like than this one, but I think it just comes down to preference, my mood maybe. Like I do still like this, but it's definitely not a natural looking highlight in my opinion. It's definitely a kind of icy highlight shade, which I feel like makes my skin look even more pale, which is not a bad thing. It's really pretty. But on the other cheek, I want to see how the pink shade looks and see if I find that a little bit more flattering. So let's see. I also could definitely mix some of these shades together if I don't want it to be so icy and light. I think this pink one is a little bit less noticeable. Both are really pretty though. It's hard for me to decide which one I actually like more, but I just keep leaning a little bit more towards the pink one. It kind of suits my natural skin color, but very pretty. Let's do, where else can I highlight? Let's do some eye highlighting. So I want to try the brown shade here. Just picking that up on my finger, kind of putting it on the eyelid. I mean, any of these shades would work on the eye. But I do love this. I love a brown, shimmery eyeshadow. And I even feel like this one can be worn as just a single color eyeshadow. Gives some sparkle to the eyelid, but it's also such a pretty, easy to wear on its own type of shade. Oh, I love that. I rarely find a single color eyeshadow that I'll wear all over my eyelids with no other colors. So I'm very impressed by how this looks and how easy it is to wear. Like, how fun is that? Just a very quick, easy, pretty eyeshadow look. I even applied it completely with my finger. So it definitely amps up the makeup look, but in the easiest way. I also love to take like the light white highlighter and apply that under the brow, the inner corners, and that makes it look even more complex, intricate of an eyeshadow look, but it's definitely not complex and intricate to apply. I feel like my whole makeup look is completely transformed from just this one palette, from these 3 colors. I have glow and life to my skin, a really pretty eye makeup look now. I'm just having fun and applying highlighter everywhere. Let's even apply some to the lips. So I'm gonna take the pink shade, tap a little into the center of my lips, onto this reddish lipstick. I love an ombre lip where it's a little lighter in the center. So you can even get away with applying this palette to the lips. Seriously, everywhere. You could do a body highlight with it. I am very happy with it. So definitely a great, easy to use, versatile palette that I am happy to get. I like to talk about the price point of makeup products though, and $36 definitely is expensive to me because I have tried out similar formulas, quality, even similar types of palettes for much cheaper. So I think getting this in Ipsy is great. I'll definitely continue using it, but not something that I personally would say you have to go spend $36 on, because it's not all that unique, special compared to a drugstore, dollar store highlighter palette. So let me know if you have tried out this highlighter palette, what your thoughts are on it. I'd also love to know if you've tried out any other KVOSSNYC products that you love. I have not tried out many products from this brand, and I always love learning about and trying new makeup brands, so I definitely like to get recommendations. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.